Shivalal Maharaj here. Shivalal Maharaj has stated 22 major principles for Banjara life known as Seva Boli. Seva Boli ka Setin Pehla Shivalal Maharaj or Sandesh, protect the forest and environment. Second, live the natural life in consensus with nature. Do not practice discrimination towards anyone and in any form. Live life with a dignity. Do not lie. Be honest and do not steal others' belonging. Do not talk ill of others and do not harm others. Respect women and girls are living goddess. Do not worry and live. Do not worry. Live fearlessly. Be courageous and confident in life. Share the greediness and material sensual comforts. Protect the water and provide water to the thirsty, and also never involve in selling water, which is biggest crime and sin. Provide food to hungry and help the needy people. Respect elder and love younger, and also respect animals. Never leave the forest and do not destroy the forest. If you destroy the forest, then you are destroying yourself. Do not consume toxic substance and completely avoid drinking alcohol. Do not involve in illicit relationship. Meditate, have inner peace and study, seek knowledge and gain the knowledge. Do not be lured by modern lifestyle and comfort and must engage with physical activity. Love humanity and not money and have companionship with fellow community person. Have a reasoned life and avoid all superstitious beliefs. Respect your parent, take care of your family and the community, and never break the brotherhood in community. Protect the culture and language of the community. Speak Gaur Bhasha, Gaur Boli, and also celebrate the community festival which are connected with the nature, and avoid those festivals which causes harm to the nature. Should follow the norms and maintain the identity of Gaur. Should follow the norms and maintain the identity of Gaur. Be connected with the nature and not exploit it. ये 22 तत्व प्रिंसिपल्स है. These are golden word. ये महाराज संदेश सारी जगह जाऊँ क्योंकि मैं इंग्लिश में कर रहा हूँ. तो मैं ट्रांसलेट करने बात कर रहा हूँ कि कौन सी तत्व चीज़ कम से आज हमारे मोट कंकाले अपन तत्व जो शिवलाल महाराज का 22 प्रिंसिपल के गोच है ये ना अपन हर लोग उन कलाओं करके मार विनती सर. मैं शिवलाल महाराज वक्त को बातें करूँ घणो पर टाइम कम से अजो को अपन आज हम हमारे जो उत्तर भारत और दक्षिण भारत का एक कनेक्ट रखने के लिए हमारे और एक महान आदमी है, वो है भाई लक्की शाह बंजारा. 4th July 1580 डेट ऑफ बर्थ, 7th July 1680 डेट ऑफ डेथ. ये लक्की शाह बंजारा 10 एक इन्फो तुम 5 मिनट संभल लो. इंग्लिश में एक मैसेज आवा तो बात करो. भाई लक्की शाह बंजारा was born 4th July 1580 in Haripur, Muzaffarpur, Pakistan. He was a rich trader from Delhi. He was the owner of 4 villages in Delhi named Malcha, Raisina, Bakaramba and Narela. He belonged to Banjara family. He was supplying saddles, limestone, bridles, stirrups and reins for the Mughal armies. Lakhi also used to trade cotton, lime powder and calcium hydroxide. He had 4 tandas, each tanda with 50,000 bullock carts and 1 lakh armed forces for the protection and management of the Tanda. He used to import and export goods from Central Asia to India. His grandfather, Nayak Thakur, was one of the main suppliers of the Mughal army during the reign of Akbar. He was the main contractor for the construction of Red Fort, Delhi. He employed more than 4 lakh people for the construction of Lal Killa. Bhai Lakhi was indulged in inter-regional exchange of agricultural products, construction material and livestock. A former administrative unit of India subcontinent, Paragna, Shiva, Sindh and Bhutias of central Himalaya traded with Bhai Lakhi by exchanging camels, horses, oxen, sheep, goat in line with exchange of food grains and weapons following the barter system. Tanda of the Banjara carried all their household along with them, consisted of many families in one Tanda. Their purpose of life was somewhat like carriers. They were continuously moving from one place to the another trading purpose. Bhai Lakhi convey carried between 1 ton to 10 tons of the load. Despite the slow speed, the amount of inexpensive goods moved was essentially considerable to the mass market. His Tanda comprised of 4 lakh people and each family had 100 oxen to carry the goods. The total number of oxen was about 9 million. Each group of oxen carried loads for about 1/3 of the year with 15 kilometers per day. The massive trading of Banjara made him one of the richest traders of the country. He constructed wells and ponds for after every 10 kilometers on the trade route so that livestock and their companies could easily get the water. The archaeological evidence of the ponds and wells constructed by Bhai Lakhi are still found in many parts of the country. In order to fight the operation against Mughals, his family was associated with Guru Nanak and Baba Banda Singh Bahadur. Bhai Banjara and his brother Bhai Gurdas were close associate of Guru Hargobind, Guru Har Rai, Guru Har Krishna, Guru Tej Bahadur and Baba Gurditta. After his death, his sons Bhai Hema, Bhai Nagaya, Bhai Hariya and his daughter Bibi Sito, later Basant Kaur, later became Basant Kaur, were close associate of Guru Gobind Singh Sahib. The 10th Guru, from 1700 to 1704, Bhai Hema, Bhai Nagaya and Bhai Hariya along with Guru Gobind Singh were martyred at Anandapur fighting against Mughals. ये martyred और बारे में हमारे कुछ लकी साहब के बंजारे साहब के बारे में कुछ आप बताना है. Later his grandson Bhai Agraj Singh and Bhai Faraz Singh, who were among the main general of Baba Band Singh Bahadur, were also killed during the battles of Lohar and Sandanur. Both of them were killed on 9th June 1716 along with the Baba Band Singh Bahadur at Delhi. He dedicated almost 8 years of his life to flourishing Sikhism and sacrificed his wealth and family member for the sake of Sikhism. आपण लकीसा बंजारा सिकेवास और जान देना को कने इतिहास छ. लोगर आज notable memories और काय important लकीसा कर्मज को Logar fort established by Baba Band Singh Bahadur is spread over almost 7,000 acres of land. It is situated in the old state of Naha, now district Yamuna Nagar of Haryana and district Simar of Himachal Pradesh. The Fort Logar is the revenue estate of Logar, Himachal Pradesh, Haripur, Jai, Mithwali, Polari, Sukari, Mahawala, Bhawanpur, Dhanpur, Nagli, Mohinpur. The circumference of the fort is about 30 kilometers. Archaeological evidence of engineering formulas depicts that it took almost 70 to 80 years of the making fortification of in such a huge area. The presence of the archaeology structure related to Bhai Lakki Shah Banjara near Logar Fort indicates that Bhai Lakki Shah Banjara contributed to the construction of Logar Fort around 1630 to 1625. Bhai Lakki Shah Banjara was a rich trader who had good relationship with Mughals, as he used to pay heavy taxes. His movement in the vicinity of Logar never came under the suspicion radar of Mughals, and he continued to supply construction material, arms, horses and food items to the men indulged in the construction of the Fort Logar. He inhabited more than 80 villages having Sikh population in the vicinity of Logar, which was later destroyed in the Mughals. Rai Banjar was straight and warrior. He established many cottage industries in the Paranga of Ghaziabad, situated on the Darbar Hill. This area was an undulated land with thorny jungle. In the 17th and 18th century, the area around Logar was unproductive and had no income because there was no agricultural activity in the area. Hence, Mughals military unit Mansa Badar had no interest in the said land. The spread of population and rough terrain in the vicinity of Logar followed Sikh and Banjara to live near Logar and together to accomplish the divine and secret mission of constructing the Fort Logar. In order to create employment opportunity, cottage industry pertaining to various tasks were established. Weapon industry was established in the revenue estate of village Vasantpur, and Sikh Tandas brought iron ore and copper ore from the Bihar mines. Fire clay toy factory was established in the revenue estate of the village Sandhya. A number of brick kilns were created by the Sikh to produce the construction material for the Logar fort and its ancillary fort. The quarries of limestone were brought in the abundant quantity in the Shivali hills. The other raw materials such as stone was also comfortably available near the point of construction of the fort. Steady, it became an important trading center, education center and army training center for the Sikh. Well-developed market of timber in the Pragna goods were Pragna of Ghaziabad helped in flourishing the Sikh trade movement. From Ghaziabad, the goods were easily transported through the waterway like boat transport system and also by the bullock carts. Several other forts were also constructed by Sikh under the guidance of Bhai Lakki Shah Banjara in the 17th century. Near the Kotwali of Buria, Ghar Banjara, Dahelbagh and Singh are the places where the fort of the Banjara Sikhs were exist. These places are situated in the bank of Yamuna River. These forts were later destroyed by the Mughals after 1716, but there is still sufficient archaeological evidence on the site. The revenue record of 1852 also reflects the existence of fort in the area. Bhai Lakki and his descendant played a significant role in the construction of Logar and helped Sikh prepare to fight the oppression of the Mughals. He died on 7th June 1680 at Marcha Palace at the age of 99 years and 10 months. He had 8 sons, 17 grandsons and 24 granddaughters. आज इलेक्ट्रिचा बंजारा बारे में इंग्लिश में हम जो